I'm re-recording now.
You can't because it has the part of
No, I'm re-recording. That part's still on there. You like that, Bubba?
Everyone on board? Where's the cat?
Yeah. Gymnastics.
Hooray!
She was doing a handstand in the house. You know, just playing around or whatever. And she fell and hit her head on that hard floor.
She was completely unconscious.
Yeah, she's always getting hurt all the way. I would say it's
Are you having fun with that? Are you having fun with Aunt Brittany's present?
And Cora.
And Brittany's husband, I don't know his name.
And Travis.
Travis.